What's up, everybody? Diana here from My Millionaire Quest. It's Monday today. Happy Monday. I'm here walking the one and only, the Guido the Burrito. That's my dog right there. But anyways, today I want to talk about implementing action and my plan of attack. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you guys is because I'm a strong believer that everything I'm doing towards my business, if it works, I share it with you. If it doesn't, I share it with you as well, because that way you learn not to make the same mistakes I made. So basically, the other day I was watching this Kevin David video, and if you don't know who Kevin David is, you have to look him up. He's this drop shipping Shopify entrepreneur, Facebook ads, all that good, Amazon FBA stuff. He's he knows his stuff. So anyways, one of his videos I was watching, he was talking about implementing your 80-20 principle. And the 80-20 principle, for those of you that don't know, is basically where 20% of your efforts gives you the 80% of your results. So basically 20% of your hard work gives you 80% of your income. And that got me thinking that for the most part, the way we have grown up, the way we've been raised, the way I've been living my life was I was putting in 80% of my efforts and only receiving 20% of the profits, 20% of the results. And I was like, you know what? I just don't want to do that anymore. I mean, who wants to do that? Seriously. So basically what I'm focusing on now is growing and scaling my affiliate marketing business to the point where it works on autopilot. And the reason why is because I was like, you know, for the most part, I do work my ass off. I do get shit done for my online business when I'm actually diligent about it. But what happens is it takes a really long time to get things done. Like, I'm thinking of sharing a video later on, probably like next week or something, about the process of creating a blog post, creating content, and what it really takes to run an online business. And the reason why is because a lot of people they give you the impression that all you do is just like, you go on your laptop on Facebook for 20 minutes or whatever, and that's it, you make money. And while it is possible to run an affiliate marketing business that way, the fact of the matter is that unless you have thousands upon thousands of dollars to apply for paid traffic, then it's not gonna happen. I can't go on my website. I can't go on my laptop right now and do work for 20 minutes. I can't create a 20-minute blog post. I can't create a 20-minute video, for 20 minutes, anything, and expect to make $100, $200, $500, $1,000 a day, $10,000 a month. I actually have to do income-producing activities. So my focus right now is going to be creating, focusing on income-producing activities. That means that creating content is an income-producing activity. It provides free traffic, and I'm going to focus on drawing traffic to my content, and that's all I'm going to focus on this week. I'm going to try to bring it down to 2 hours, maybe. I think that's my focus. My focus is going to be 2 hours a day, because the way I see it is I'm thinking long-term. So if right now I'm working 6 hours a day on my business, that means a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, it's going to take me 6 hours a day to work on my business, and that's not how I want to live my life. I don't want to trade out working 8 hours, 10 hours a day at a job I hate to 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours on something I love, because it's going to turn into something I hate. So that's what I'm going to do for now. What else? Started a new channel. I'm going to provide the link in the description. You guys can check it out. It's called Parchegos, and basically parche is Spanish, or Colombian if you will, for squad. And so basically just translates to squad goals. And the reason why I started the channel was I started with my cousin and my sister, and we practically grew up together like siblings. When we were little, we used to go to Disney together a lot. Like, that was like some of the best memories when we were kids, is us going to Disney together. So we decided to start a channel. My cousin hit me up. Last week was the premiere of Toy Story Land, and he was like, yo, can you shoot some content? I was like, sure. He was like, let's do like a vlog. I was like, okay. He's like, yeah, so just shoot content. So I just shot up a whole bunch of content, and he was like, let's put it on our own channel. And it's basically like adventures at Disney, and what you do at Disney. I was like, squad goals, dude. So my sister was like, yeah, it's squad goals. Every time we do something together, every time we do something fun, it's a squad goal. That's what we want to do together. We want to keep doing it together. So we're sharing it with you guys. We're sharing with each other. And basically, another reason why we did is because 10 years from now, I can go on YouTube and I can check it out, and the video will still be there. But sometimes, things get lost in your phone. I had a lot of memories. I went on a trip to LA. I took a road trip from Miami to LA, and I went to a lot of places. I saw a lot of cool things, and I uploaded those pictures to the drive, to the cloud, and I lost them. So those memories are gone forever. They only live up here now. But if we create videos on YouTube, then we can just, hey, go on YouTube and check out what we did last week. Remember what we did last month? Yeah, just go on YouTube and check it out. So that's one of the reasons we did it. and I'm really excited about that. Like I said, I'm going to provide the link in the description. You guys can check it out. It's just going to be our adventures at Disney, Orlando, and beyond, basically, because my cousin lives in Miami and we live here in Orlando. So when he drives up here, we get to meet up and have fun, and then we go down there, we do the same thing. So yeah, that's what we're going to try to do for now. Not try, do. Remember, do or do not, there is no try. Trying implies failure. So anyways, that's what I'm going to focus on this week. 2 hours a day on my business. Today is Monday. I'm creating this video. I'm going to probably post it tomorrow. I created a blog post rough draft, posting that tomorrow as well. Like I said, my limit is 2 hours. The rest of the day I'm hustling, and by hustling I mean I'm coming up with startup funds, capital for my business, because like I said, paid traffic is not cheap. And as of now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm an aspiring entrepreneur. That just means that I'm still not at that financial time freedom place. I haven't fired my boss yet. I'm still working my 9-to-5 job. So I work my job. I have a side hustle, and that side hustle is Uber. And from that side hustle income, that's what I use to power my funds. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hustle. Guys, it's been real. I hope you got some value from this video. 80-20 principle. Look it up. Start applying it to your business. Start applying it to your life. 20% of your effort should equal to 80% of the results, not the other way around. Switch that around. I will see you in the next video. I'll see you at the top. If you're ready to get started on my Millionaire Quest, go ahead and click the link in the description. I got you with 10 free affiliate marketing lessons. That being said, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one.